If you want to watch this recipe in Hindi, then check the link below in description box and also subscribe Mridula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Mridula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe that I'm going to share with you all is chicken curry. This is Chettinad style chicken curry which is very spicy but very flavorful. So to make Chettinad chicken curry, I have taken 750 grams chicken, 1 cup of shallots. These are small variety of onions. If you can't find these, then you can use finely chopped onions as well. 2 medium tomatoes de-seeded and finely chopped, half cup fresh grated coconut, some finely chopped coriander leaves, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1-inch piece ginger, 8 to 10 garlic cloves. I'm not using any powdered spices in this recipe. I'm going to make a fresh chettinad masala using all these whole spices. So in whole spices we need 3 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 3 whole dry red chillies, 1 small piece of star anise, 1 small piece of stone flower, 4 cloves, 3 green cardamom, 1-inch stick of cinnamon, 2 bay leaves, 4 tablespoon oil, 6 cashews, 3 dry red chilies which I have roughly cut them in pieces, 1 teaspoon lemon or lime juice, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and salt to taste. First step is to marinate the chicken with salt, turmeric and lemon juice. Mix this well till each piece is well coated with the marinade. Let this chicken marinate for at least an hour or you can just leave it in refrigerator for overnight. Next we will make chettinad masala paste. For this in a pan heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add ginger, garlic and cashew. Fry this on medium flame for 2 minutes. Then add whole spices, coriander, cumin, fennel seeds, black pepper and rest of these whole spices as well. Let these spices roast on medium flame for 5 minutes till they become aromatic. Add in grated fresh coconut. Roast this further till coconut becomes light brown in color. This is done. Take everything out in grinding jar and wait till it cools down a bit. Once cooled down, using little water, grind this into fine paste. Our chettinad masala is ready. So now let's start making the curry. For this, in the same pan, heat 3 tablespoon oil. Once oil is hot, add dry red chilies, shallots and curry leaves. Fry these shallots till they become light brown. Shallots have become soft and turned light brown. Now add in chopped tomatoes. Also add 1 teaspoon salt. Continue to cook this further on medium flame till the tomatoes become soft. Now add coriander leaves and ground masala paste. We need to cook this masala on medium flame very well till the oil starts to separate from it. You can see the oil has separated from its sides. Now it's time to add chicken. Give a mix. Add 3 cups water. Let this boil on high flame for 2 minutes. Now check the seasoning. There was salt added while cooking masala and also while marinating chicken. So taste this and add more salt if required. Now put the lid on and cook this on medium flame for 20 minutes till the chicken is completely done. In between 20 minutes of cooking time, open the lid and give quick stir couple of times. That's it, our chettinad chicken curry is done. Garnish with some coriander leaves and serve it along with roti or with just plain rice. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. And if you like this video, then do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe my channel for more such yummy recipes. I will be back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.